How's it going, my friends? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. Today I want to talk to you about something really serious, something that comes from my heart because I know exactly what it's like to be a parent and to have a brand new child and to have to take your child to somebody else when they're so small and have somebody else watch them because you have to go back to work to pay the bills. So if this is the situation that you're in, or maybe you're just a stay-at-home mom or dad, whatever it is, and you stay home and you need a flexible work arrangement where you can help contribute to your spouse or partner's income, and you need a more flexible work schedule, so that you can attend to the kids and stuff and work when you have time, maybe when they're taking naps. Whatever it is, you guys, this is a 100% legitimate business that you can start online. It is crazy simple to do. It is free to do. There is no special skills required. And you can work this from anywhere in the world, and you can scale it through the roof. This is the number one solution to making money online, and I'm going to share with you exactly why I believe so. So make sure that you're paying attention because this information can change your life. So first things first, my friends, if you are brand new to this channel, the first thing that you are going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, Chad Bennett Live. And the way that you do this is down beneath this video, there is a subscription box. It's a bright red box. Make sure that you click that. Make sure that you hit the bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. Also, you guys, make sure that you have smashed that thumbs up. You guys, if you find any valuable content in this video, it helps to get this video and my content out to as many people as possible and teach them how to make money online as well. And ultimately, I want to help as many people as I possibly can make money online. I don't want to see anybody struggle the way I did for all these years fumbling around on the internet trying to figure out how to make money, because today I'm going to share with you the number one solution to make money online, you guys. And this is great for stay-at-home moms and dads and parents, or anybody that just wants to change their life and quit their job, and they want life-changing results so that they can enjoy their life, so that they can work a flexible work schedule, so that they can work from anywhere in the world. Make sure that you're paying attention, you guys. This is great stuff that I had to share with you today. So, what is the number one way to make money online? The number one way to make money online is affiliate marketing. And you're probably wondering, why is affiliate marketing the best way to make money online? So before we dive too far into this, I want to make sure that you have a very clear understanding of exactly what affiliate marketing is so that you can follow through this and understand exactly why affiliate marketing is so powerful and why I think you should be involved in this. So here's what affiliate marketing is at its simplest form. Affiliate marketing is simply this, you guys. Let's imagine over here that we have a business, and let's imagine over here on my other hand we have a customer pool. Now the business, let's just say it's Best Buy, and Best Buy really has an affiliate marketing program, by the way, but Best Buy is selling all kinds of electronics, obviously. And let's just say we have a customer pool over here that is interested in buying the latest and greatest, flat screen TV that Best Buy is selling. And so my job as an affiliate, how I make money and how I get paid is to bring this customer pool over here and get them to Best Buy's website to make a purchase. And if it's specifically for a flat screen TV, then they need to buy a particular flat screen TV. But my job as an affiliate is to get customers that already have something that they want to purchase anyways over to the product that they're after. And when I refer them over there and they make the purchase, I make a commission for that. So I want you to simply imagine this. I've heard it like this before too, if that didn't make any sense to you. Let's just imagine for a second that you're standing out on a street corner and a car drives up to you, and someone from out of town stops by and they say, hey, where's the closest Walmart at? I need to go there and I need to buy a flat screen TV. And I know this is just hypothetical, right? But they're trying to get to Walmart. They need to make a purchase for a flat screen TV. And you, being a local, simply tell them, hey, just go down the street right here, make a right, then a left. You're going to go a few blocks more and you make another left. There's the Walmart right there on the left. Now, when that person gets to that Walmart and they purchase that flat screen TV, you, in this scenario, are you going to get paid for just pointing that person over to where Walmart is? That person already had the intent of what they wanted to purchase anyways. and they went to Walmart and they made that purchase. Would you get paid for that? No, you wouldn't. But as an affiliate, this is exactly what's happening on the internet. You are finding people that have something that they want to purchase, and you are pointing them directly to what they're after, and when they make a purchase, you get paid. That is as simple as it gets, you guys. So now that you have a more accurate understanding of exactly what affiliate marketing is, I want to share with you some of the top reasons that I believe affiliate marketing is so powerful and why I believe that you should be doing this if you are a stay-at-home parent or somebody that just wants to quit their job and create a life of freedom. Number one, like I said, it is extremely flexible. You work this when you have time and around your schedule. If that's 1 o'clock in the morning, great, you can work then. It does not matter if it's when you're putting your kids down for a nap. And by the way, you can take a vacation whenever you want. You don't have to ask somebody if you have enough vacation time saved up so that you can go and take a vacation. You work when you have time, but you also have to be extremely diligent and manage your time appropriately and make sure that you have goals, because ultimately you are creating a business here and you need to make sure that you're meeting your goals and that you are working as much as possible when you do have time. Number two, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, a desktop computer, or a laptop. And some of this I actually do on my smartphone. So as long as you have those things, you can work this practically from anywhere in the world. So if you're anything like me and you want to move to a better location and your job before was dictating as to where you could live, this is a great way to break free from that. You can work anywhere in the world, you guys. Like I said, as long as you have an internet connection. I don't know if that gets you excited, but that definitely gets me extremely excited. Number three, it is not expensive to get started in affiliate marketing. You can get started doing affiliate marketing 100% for free, you guys. However, I do recommend that you do invest in yourself, that you do invest in a course that has a laid out program that teaches you exactly step by step exactly what you need to do. Affiliate marketing is not hard, but there are some things that you want to know so that you can build the proper groundwork and set up the proper foundation so that you can build a business on a solid foundation, you guys, and just not struggle so much. I spent so many years poking around on the internet, trying a little bit of this, trying a little bit of that, and never really becoming successful because I didn't know what to focus on. I didn't know what was important. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you something that I got started with that has helped me excel in affiliate marketing extremely fast, and what I wish that I found a long time ago. So the number 4 reason is you do not have to have any of your own products to sell. As an affiliate marketer, you are literally just using other people's products and you are directing customers to other people's products. So if you were to start up your own business, you have to normally you have to have your own products, right? You have to have products to sell to your customers. As an affiliate, you do not have to come up with any of your own products. I think that is extremely powerful. On top of that, you do not have to deal with any customers and you do not have to deal with any returns. So that is crazy powerful. I don't know if you've ever worked in customer service, but having to deal with customers and returns and all that junk is not fun at all. The 5th reason that I get extremely excited about affiliate marketing is you trade active income for passive income. So if you're not familiar with what those terms are, active income is basically when you're trading your time for money. So just think of your regular day job where you're going to work and you're trading your time so that you can make money. Passive income is where you're making money regardless if you're working or not. So you set something up and you build it and it works for you. And regardless if you're working or not, it continues to generate income for you. That is passive income, you guys. Passive income is extremely powerful. That is how people get extremely filthy rich, you guys. You want to get on the passive income side. The 6th reason why I think affiliate marketing is so powerful is because it is a billion-dollar industry. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you just a couple websites here. Amazon has its own affiliate associates program. You can sign up and become an affiliate for Amazon, and whenever you sell products and point people to Amazon, you can get paid. Best Buy has its own affiliate marketing program. If you come down to the bottom of the page here of Best Buy's website, they have their own affiliate marketing program. And if you click that, it takes you and you can actually join Best Buy's affiliate marketing program. Even Walmart has their own affiliate marketing program. These are three huge businesses that have their own affiliate marketing programs. If affiliate marketing wasn't effective, they would not have affiliate marketing programs, you guys. So it is definitely something to be dealt with. It is definitely something that is very lucrative. That's why these businesses are using these platforms to create more business for themselves. Number 7, my friends, you can get started with little to no experience. There are no special skills required to get started with affiliate marketing. You can get started doing this and rapidly excel and start making money very, very quickly. And number 8, my friends, this business is scalable. You can start out very small and grow it, and you can be making up into the $1 million range within a couple of years, you guys. No, you are not going to get started with affiliate marketing and open up your laptop and money's going to start falling out of it tomorrow. But with consistency and growth, within a year or two, you can be making a very, very significant income with affiliate marketing. So there you have it, my friends. Those are the top reasons why I think affiliate marketing is so extremely powerful and why I think everybody that wants to work from home should be following this business model and get started in affiliate marketing. It can absolutely change your life and create a life of freedom. If this is something that sounds interesting to you, if you want to do this, and like I said, you guys, you may need to make a small investment so that you can get the exact blueprint that teaches you step by step exactly what you should be doing, you guys. And I want to refer to an individual named Dave Sharp. Dave Sharp was an individual that started Legendary Marketer. Dave Sharp was a drug addict, was completely broke, was sleeping on his dad's couch, had a child at the age of around 16, and worked a construction job. But Dave Sharp learned affiliate marketing, and Dave Sharp is a multi-millionaire several times over now doing affiliate marketing, and he has given us his blueprint and is teaching a ton of people exactly what he did to create success. And I tell you what, you guys, it actually works. I got started 4 or 5 months ago doing this, and I am making money already. I'm making a significant amount of money 5 months later, you guys. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, this is where you want to get started. I'm going to point you over to directly beneath my video here. I have left a link, chadbennettlive.com. This is my #1 recommendation, like I said, to make a full-time income online. Click on this link, chadbennettlive.com. You can type that into your browser. Where it's going to do is going to take you to my website. It's going to ask for your name. It's going to ask for your email address. Insert your email address, you guys. Make sure that it is a legitimate email address, because this is where I'm going to send you out a free video to help you get started creating your own online business so that you can get started immediately and start making money online. Do not delay, you guys. This is your time. I believe in you. I have faith in you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for spending time with me. Peace.